So as we created yesterday Salesforce ID, the trial version ID. So to access to trial version ID, go to login.salesforce.com. Go to login.salesforce.com and login this. Yesterday what we created SFTC 7m@abc.com. Now that's 1, 2, 4. So this is our Salesforce system.
Once one application was created, it is not possible to
Delete. Delete option is there.
It's not available.
But standard application cannot be deleted. Only custom application can be set. Create apps. Okay, this Salesforce is a standard application. Salesforce is a standard application. Which standard screens are there? We need to customize these web pages. This developed in Visual Force and Apex. Salesforce, the software is developed in Visual Force and Apex language. And as per the client requirement, we have to customize them. So in this Salesforce software, we have 3 areas: marketing, sales and service.
Rename that to sales.
Yeah. Standard applications cannot be done. Now this marketing what? Campaign and the leads. The marketing comes what? The campaign and the leads. Campaigning what? Campaigning is nothing but how much you are investing in the business. That related screens comes in the campaign. Every business will do some investment, the business investment. That all details we have to do in where? Campaign. When I do investment, we will get some inquiries. That inquiry details will go for the leads table. The leads table discuss about the inquiry forms. Go for Samsung company. They invest some business related. That all records you have to enter in the campaign. When a new inquiry comes, that you enter in the leads table. And when a customer purchases the product, that details goes to accounts. Accounts is the customer details. So like that, each table one by one we discuss it. So Salesforce is a CRM software where it discusses marketing, sales and service related areas. And every company requires which software? A CRM software. Any business, if you want to start IT implementation, a small company or a big company, you require CRM. So some people mess some what is cloud computing, that we'll discuss on Saturday. We got demo session there. We'll discuss what is cloud, what is Salesforce, that all details we'll discuss. Just like yesterday we discussed, revising small concepts. Now this Salesforce is what? It's standard applications where we have to customize this application. Now we'll customize the campaign object. The campaign object is there. So in our standard application, so IMS application, Institute Management Service. So now I'm customizing Salesforce software for which business people? Training institutes. We have number of training institutes are there. For our training institutes people, for this training institute business people, I am customizing Salesforce software and I am giving to them. They can access this software from anywhere. Okay. So in this IMS Institute Management Services application, for this application, first add the campaign object. Customize my tab. Campaign. Add. This is a campaign object. That's it. How to customize the campaign object? How to customize the fields? That's it. So campaign object discuss about what? Marketing. So in every business people, how they are investing money in their business, that all related records they have to enter where? In the campaign object. You have to give the details about the entries where you are investing the money. This campaign screen has been developed in Visual Force Apex language. You have to customize whichever fields you want in your business, use it. If you don't want, remove it. If you think that Salesforce software is not there, think that there is no Salesforce software, then how you design this web page? I need to go for Java or .NET. But designing this web page takes more time. I need to deploy into server, all that. But here it is already deployed in server. Which server? Force.com server. Developing web page is easy or customizing is easy? Customizing. That's an advantage of Salesforce. If Salesforce is not there, use .NET or Java or PHP language for developing web pages. You design web page, again testing process, again you deploy to server, all that. Here nothing. This is application which is deployed with all standard applications, the standard screens which any industry people can use it, placed in Force.com server. If any require, take this web page, take this screen, check with the client's requirement, what fields you require. Compare that page, modify them. So when technology changes, the learning will be easy and using how we can use that technology also becomes very easy. So now I am not developing any web page. Use that web page, modify them, use it in the business. It's an easy concept comes in the Salesforce. The Salesforce success is only two factors: easy to customize, easy to maintain. I am customizing whatever fields you want. So client are very much impressed. Within less time, I am delivering the project. These screens are already developed, so you customize deliver. So within less time, I am delivering. The clients require this data, memory, all servers. Who has to maintain? Companies maintain. Force company is giving all software, memory, everything they are providing. So as they are providing maintenance costs, and as they are providing all the servers, web page, you have to pay rent. Just pay rent and you start accessing it. Easy maintenance means if I develop in Java means I have to maintain the server, I have to maintain the memory, I have to maintain backup, security, performance, all has to be maintained. IRCTC website is there. You develop IRCTC websites in Java, how to maintain the servers, hittings, performance. Who has to maintain? The IRCTC client has to maintain. But here I am not bothered about that. I'll ask the Force people, I'll take the connection, I'll take a user ID and password and start using it. If it is slow, disconnect it. I'm not invested any lakhs of rupees for server. I pay rent, monthly I'll pay some 6,000, 10,000 rupees, start using that ID. I'll pay monthly 6,000 rupees, I'll start using this software. From anywhere I'll access, I'll store the client's data, everything in the Force.com server. Like how Gmail is there, we are accessing Gmail at free of cost. How the server has been maintained, how data is storing, I don't bother. If you require more mails I have to store, means you pay $2 extra. Then starting using. Same concept here also. They develop that application. If you want use in the business, use it, pay rent. That's all. Easy to maintenance and easy to use in the project with less minimum cost. For that reason, existing business people migrated to Salesforce and new business people who have not yet started any software. The new business people who are not using any software, why? Cost. But here it's very less cost I can use. Not the concept why Salesforce we are using. With less minimum cost and with less maintenance and paying all the services on rental basis. Okay. Now this campaign object. This campaign object is already designed web page. Now I need to customize. To customize that, first we should know what are the fields available here. So to know more about these fields, click help for this page. It gives detailed information about what are the fields available. And shortcut, click help for this page. Click view fields. A detailed description about what are the field label, what are the field name and data types, all details. The label, how you are displaying, the field name, it's a campaign name. That means I am developing an application for training institutes. How they do the business, that application I am developing. Every training organization, it may schools or college, they invest money for marketing. How they invest market? So I am doing a campaigning like first quarter. In the first quarter, I want to invest for direct emails. The month January month to March. I am investing from January to March. The budget costs some 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees investment I am doing. And click save for the first quarter. See the campaign, new campaign fields. I am investing campaign for Salesforce. Salesforce campaign. What type of campaigning? Referral, advertisements, banner. So banner apps for banner ads. Investment for March. The budget cost 20,000 invested. It went to actual cost went to 22k. The revenue what they expect, if 20,000 expect, so I am expecting some 30,000 profit. What we are expecting the response. As I am investing the marketing, so Samsung company invested 1 crore rupees for promoting their product. So I expect some 80% business people, leads I need to expect. If you spend additional money, any additional money, you give that. I spend some additional money for phone calls like that. Okay. This Salesforce camp in the month of March, which belongs to parent camp. In the first quarter camp, select first. In the first quarter, January to March. In the March month, I invested for banner ads. For which purpose? Salesforce camp. 1 lakh. Save. A record has been saved. Like that you are entering. So first we should analyze what is the purpose of each field. And you can see all the list of fields. Go for help, campaign fields. It gives a detailed information. When you go for help, it's a help. When you go for help, it opens help for Salesforce.com campaign fields. It's a campaign fields. It gives the field name, field label, description. The field label, what is the purpose, all that it is. The field name, the description. A detailed information about each field, that all describes. So campaign is what? It's a standard table in where? In Salesforce software. And we are using that table for in our business. For which purpose you are using in your business? Advertisement. In advertisement, how you invested? Marketing. That entries I am doing. Java camp. So it may be used. The Salesforce, it's a Samsung company, they invested money for different ways. Webinar, they conducted a conference. For conference, in the month of January, the Samsung company invested in the February month, a cost of 50k invested in the month of February. Same like our institute Java camp, invested for Java advertisement. These all entries we do where? Campaign. So let's see. To know more about campaign object, click help for this page. It's an help for this page. It's an help page, the detail information. And to know fields details. So go to campaign tab. It's a campaign tab. Go to campaign tab. Shortcut view fields. Shortcut view fields. So this is a campaign. The campaign tab. quick access, the shortcut, view fields. The label it displays. What is the label name? Actual cost, name, data type, all displays. So every data types all it displaying view fields. Actual cost, the label. They have spaces. Label can have spaces. Name cannot have spaces. Rent. That's a campaign name, campaign owner, expected response, start date. All details are displaying here. The label, the name. So we should know what is the purpose of each field. Click new. The field label and this one field name. You whatever values you enter, that stores enough campaign. Now how to customize these standard fields? How to customize standard fields? That means, let's see here a type, conference, webinar, partners, referrals, like that. So what type of advertisement you are doing, Salesforce are given default, some values are given. But I want to give my own values. So business people want to give their own business, they want to invest money in different ways. What values you want to give here? They are given standard values. If you don't want, remove that values. Remove that values, give your own values. That is how to customize standard. It's a standard field. What is standard field values? For that, go to shortcut, view fields. Then go for the fields. Type field is there. Type field. See, that's a values are there. A list of values are there. I can give my own values. Click new. So I'm investing money value for just Google, email marketing, banner, paper ads. So every business people promote their product in different ways, but we should enter that card. Where am I investing money for promoting my product? That all entries I will give. These values are not existing in the type. Campaign. Click new. Names. There are different names available. View fields. Which field? Type field. New field. Click the new, like email, telemarketing. Okay, get new. How we are investing money? That I am adding this. Now click save. That values are entered. I want to arrange that values. Let's reorder. Can arrange that values. How I want to display top. Okay. So which value should be default? So when you go for campaign fields, refresh, values are changed. I added my own values which are doing entry in my business. Default some values are there. You added your own values. Go to type, shortcut view fields, you added new values, reordered them. If you want to delete the values, delete the values. Whichever values you want to delete. Webinar is there. I want to delete that value. When you delete value, you should replace with any existing value. Since it may use that value may be using another object. Another object may linking that value. So replace that with save. That is to customize, go to campaign tab, quick access, the shortcut, view field, select type field. The shortcut means this one. View field, shortcut view fields. Select type field, edit. New, enter new values. I'm entering the new values. Like just Dell, like Google, the paper ads. How the new investment that all values are there. Reorder to arrange the values. Delete to delete any existing values. And click save. So you are customizing at the existing values. These values. Status. It's also pick list. These values if you want to change. Same if there is any status. I'm planning for investment. That's a planning. In progress. Cancelled. Aborted. If any other status are there, you can enter something. See, view fields, status field, status. I can add new values or edit the values. Plan, or you can use planning. It affects automatically in the drop down. Campaign, refresh. It affects to whom? For your ID. Under your ID only it affects. Not for all IDs. Once for your ID changes, it affects to for that in that organization. In that organization, we have number of, currently in our organization we have only one user. When you create ID, in that organization there is only one user. If multiple users are created in that organization, it affects to all users. We can provide security to whom what effect should be done. Then the campaign fields. And click new. So where you customize. That's it. How to customize standard field values. Similarly, these are all the standard values, standard fields. Now client said that I'm investing money in different cities. I'm investing money 10,000 rupees in Hyderabad, 15,000 for Bangalore, like that. The client said. So where I have to specify the city? Is there any city field here? Salesforce I have not given any city field. So I want to create my own field. I want to create custom field. These are all standard fields which cannot be deleted. So view fields. We don't have delete option here. If you want to use it, not delete it. But I want to create my own fields. I want to create custom fields for my business requirement. Then campaign tab, new campaign tab, new custom fields. New custom fields. What type of field? Pick list. Pick list. Next. What label? Like location. A location. What is the location? That means I am giving this value for my business requirement. Like I'm adding, I want to sort the values. Which are value? So I'm creating this new custom field here. I want to create a field here, a location field. That field I'm creating. So I'm creating a location field. Next. Who can access this field? In my company there are different types of employees will be there. Some employees can access this field. Marketing employee can use it. Manager cannot access it. Manager should be a mandatory. Some users should not be a mandatory. So I want to provide the security. That security comes here. That is called profiles. In Salesforce, security comes on profile list. How you provide security for this field? Who can access this field? It's called visible to all. Now currently visible to all. So anyone can access my field now and will come security later. Currently you access this field to everyone. Within organization anyone can access it. So visible to all. Now add this field to layout. That means I should add in my layout here. Add to the layout. And click save. Now check it. Go to campaign tab. Refresh. Location field. Very easy. We don't write any program. Go there. Add. Just
You want to do the existing
field values. Go to campaign fields. See, when you create any custom fields, it comes here. Location underscores. Standard fields don't have anything. Only custom fields will have location underscores. This is a custom field. To identify location, what type it is? Select location field. What are fields you don't want? Remove. Remove that value. As there is no linking, it's deleting. Earlier banner ads, when you're deleting, it's linking to another object, so it replaces with any one. As there is no linking now, so it's not asking directly deleting now. Now once you delete the value and refresh here, how to create custom field means go to quick access, view fields, go to new custom. So I invested money in location Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, I invested for banners 25,000 rupees. So who is the consent person? I want entry, more detail. So who is the consent person? So I invested money 25,000 in location Hyderabad for advertisement of Chestel, for advertisement of Hadoop campaign, for Hadoop 25,000, for Chestel I given 25,000. But who is the concerned person I want? To whom I have given Chestel? The person contact person. So I require a field here, contact person, concerned person. Which type of value? Text. Like it is a pick list, no? I require concerned person. So I require a field like this. Where I need to go? New custom fields. What type of data type? So these are all data. We'll use all the data types. In different ways we use it. What type? Text. Allows users to enter text area. Text enter. Next. Concerned person. Length 25 characters. I am creating a field, concerned person. Next. Visible to all users. Next. Add to the layout. Okay. So, visible to all users. Users. And see here, always require a value in this field. That means you'll get a red mark symbol like this. The field will create concerned person, a red mark will get. That means mandatory field. When you go for always require. And here, do not allow duplicates. For a particular record, I given a Rajesh record. So Rajesh is a concern. The next record cannot have Rajesh. Duplicates will not allow in my record. I'm creating a field concerned person where it is a mandatory. I need to enter value compulsory. And what type of the value if you have given, I cannot enter the same value in another record. Thank you. Next. Next. Visible to all users. Add to the layout. Now check it. Campaign table. While saying the record, okay, you must enter the one. So if I give location in Hyderabad, Rajesh person is a concern. 25,000 I invested. I invested 25,000. Go to campaign. Actually, active. I invested money for conferences. Budget cost 35K. Location in Chennai. Contact person I will do Rajesh. So you again Rajesh. Let's say duplicate value on record. There is an Hadoop campaign, is there, no? In that record there is a Rajesh already. So I cannot do that. Huh?
You invested in Hyderabad, right?
Hadoop camp. The record name is Hadoop camp. Record name is what? This one. Hadoop camp record. Then Hadoop camp, no? In that record. It won't display Hyderabad Chennai. It displays the primary name, what the camp name is there, no? The name record. For every record, the name will be there. It displays that name. Yes. Naresh is the concerned person in the Hyderabad. So for Oracle camp, Naresh is the concerned person. Like that I can create custom fields. How to create custom fields? Go to campaign, quick access, view fields, new custom fields. Select data type, which type pick list. A location I select. When I give location, internet stores location underscores. We don't give underscore, double underscore, it creates automatic. It creates double underscores. Visible to all users, add to the layout, same. Select data type text, concern person, visible to all, add. So test campaign new, result displays blue. All custom fields suffix with underscores, double underscore. So also every fields, view fields, all fields will have underscores. What's it called? Next. And go, that's all. So we customize standard fields. Some standard fields we modify. At the same time, we added the new values also. And we added the new fields. Now, I want to change this layout. How to customize my layout? The look and feel should be different. We're displaying only single section. Now design my own the layout. How to design my own layout here? So go for edit layout. I want to modify my layout. So given standard single section, I want to create my own layout. It's a layout is there. So go for section, drag and drop section. Date section. Two columns, date section. Which date? Start date. And the date. How you want it? How created? So, go to fields, section, drag and drop section. The cost section I want. Whether I want to display one column or two columns. When you click tab, how I want to move? Left, right, or top to bottom. Cost section, view actual cost. budget cost. Expected revenue. Once saved, sections are created. So cost section, date section. How you want? So go to shortcut, edit layout. So I am dividing the fields in the easy way to look and feel. Select section, drop here. I want a custom field section. I can place water fields to one location. And click save. Save and quick save is there. Quick save means fast save. Immediately it saves. Not like that. Quick save means I'll be here only. I'll be in the same page. I'll be in the same page. I can check it how my layout should look. How my layout should look when you go for campaign. If you are satisfied. If you are satisfied, then click save. That means the page will close. Otherwise, I'll be in the same page. I need place location here. I'll place here. I click quick save. I'll be in the same page. I'll come to campaign layout, refresh. Once it is satisfied, then again I'll go for this layout and click save. So instead of closing the page, I'll click quick save and check it, my layout, how it looks. That is, I can create my own sections. Similarly, I don't want this field, see number sent, etc. I'm not entering that field. In my business, I don't enter these fields. So I want to remove that values. I want to remove that fields. So edit layout. There is a option. Number sent, remove. I am removing that field from where? From the layout, not from the database. Remove. Let's remove. It's removed here. If you want, you can get it back again. Again, if you want, you can get it. It's removing from where? Layout. Click remove. Expect response. Remove. This is a quick save. Quick save. Go to campaign. Refresh. See, there is no fields. So for my business, these fields I removed. I don't want here. I don't want to enter that values. If you want again this field, expected response, replace, number sent, replace. Now quick save, refresh. That's way view remove the fields. We created a section, we remove the fields, whichever fields you don't want, remove. Similarly, I want to make field mandatory. Budget cost I have to enter compulsory. While saving the record, see, while saving the record, which field has been compulsory? Campaign name. Click view campaign. I am investing for trade show banner ads. Concerned person is Raju. It's a mandate. If you want to enter this Raju, say, please enter the value. So Raju is a concerned person. The location and budget cost I have to enter compulsory, but it is not mandatory. You click save, it accepts, but it's not accepting budget cost. So I need to enter budget cost compulsory. To make that field mandatory, go for budget cost, properties, required. Budget cost required. We get a red marks in it. While saving the record, you have to enter. So when you save, Correct. While saying the record. That's called, they are making, it's a mandatory. You go for edit layout. How to make field management? Go to particular field. Properties required. This field is mandatory. See here, red mark symbol, blue mark symbols also are there. Red is what? Required. And there is a blue dot also is there. Mandatory how will become optional? Required is required, again optional no. That fields cannot be removed. When you created this concerned person, one point I compulsory required the field I selected. Concerned person, when go for concerned person field, check it view fields. Concerned person. I made it what? Required. While designing the database, at the time of database field, I made that field mandatory. Such fields cannot be removed. While designing the fields only, I made the fields mandatory. Such fields cannot be removed. But budget cost is not mandatory. At the database level, they are not mandatory. They are mandatory at layout level. At the layout level, they are mandatory. So for that, it's a blue dot is, they are mandatory but cannot be removed. Blue dots cannot be removed, but they are mandatory. These fields can be removed. How to customize page layout? Make fields mandatory, remove fields. Go to campaign tab, new, go to campaign tab, select view. Campaign tab, click new quick access shortcut, edit layout. Drag and drop section onto label. So there is a section part is there, whichever section drag and drop. Drag and drop section onto cost section, date section, whatever section you want, you can place it. Drag and drop the fields onto new section. Click hyphen. Hyphen is remove field from layout, not from the data. Here we are removing from the layout only. Remove the fields. To remove the fields, I should go to here. From the database itself, I want to remove it. That means from the table I am deleting this. This delete is from table. That is for entry. At the entry, I should not enter. While entering the record, I should not enter the value. Then go for layout. But I want to remove completely means go to the fields. Delete it. Hyphen is to remove field from layout. Star. Check in required. When you click star, that's a nice symbol. You get symbol. No? Properties. Present properties. Check in required. See, so I can create a section. I can make fields mandatory. I can remove that. Blue dot required fields cannot be removed. And red dot required fields. This is a standard screen. This standard screen we made it. We customize this layout how you want to display. This is called page layout. We call it the name. How my layout should display. How my layout should display is called the page layout. Next. When I click campaign tab, it's displaying only 3 columns. I want to display some other columns also. Only 3 columns are displayed. So shortcut, edit columns. How many columns you want, you can display. Campaign tab, location, concerned person, whichever fields you want, created date. Let's specify. Click save. Display that. Default displays 3 columns. I want to display remaining columns. Shortcut, edit columns. Which are columns you want? Budget cost, actual cost. It's called tab layout. When I click a tab, how many columns I want to display? It's called tab layout. How many columns I will display? Tab. Let's go. How to customize campaign tab. Campaign tab, quick access, shortcut, edit columns, add new columns. So what are columns you want? You can add the columns. Location, concern, budget cost. You add whichever fields you want. Click save. Maximum you can add only 10 columns. And here while displaying, see they are displaying in the dollars. Default they are in dollars. So I want to display in the rupees. And then go for setup. It's a company profile. Company information. Yeah. Edit. Change edits. English India. English India INR. Displays in the rupees. For complete organization it changes. Complete organization, so company profile, company information, refresh here. Displays the rupees. So here when you click campaign tab, I am displaying the columns. Now there is a views are there. See, what is a view means? I want to filter the records. Hundreds of records are there. Thousands of records are invested in the campaign. I want to know how much money I have invested in Hyderabad. I want only that records. I want a list of records where I invested in Hyderabad. And how? Create new view. I can filter the records. View means I can filter. Create new view. Can write Hyderabad view. Some name. What criteria? The criteria. Where? Which location? Location equals. Select this criteria. Insert. Which fields you want? Whichever fields you invested. The location field. The budget cost. Okay. This is the cost. I can drag and drop the fields. Whichever fields you want. So view means filtering the existing records in where. I want to display all the records. Then how? Here this records is when city code Hyderabad. I want to display all the records means. Select all the cities. Don't write criteria. I want all records. Don't write criteria. As per the criteria, it displaying the records. No, I want to display all recs. You can write all recs. Don't write criteria. Which are fields you want? Select the fields. Okay, save. So 10 records are displaying all the records. The filtering. I am filtering the whichever records you want. I want where city code Hyderabad and budget cost is more than 10,000. I want that records. Then where? Create new view. Hyderabad 10K. So then how you write? Location equals Hyderabad and it's a and what? Budget cost. The budget cost greater than equal to 10,000. Display whichever records, budget, cost, location. I want these records. Criteria what? These two conditions should be satisfied. Only two records. Then go for all recs, it displays 10 records. Only Hyderabad related. Like that we are filtering the records. A filter. How to filter the records? So go for budget cost greater than. So go to campaign tab, create new. Label cost section. Criteria budget cost greater than 10,000. Location equals Hyderabad. So here there is a filter logic is this. You can filter. Edit. And operator is there. By default there is an AND operator. If you want OR operator, so add filter logic. There is one OR. I can filter. That means where Hyderabad city or cost greater than 10. All budget cost more than 10,000. At the same time, city greater than 10. So here see the record. I have not given budget cost, but city is R. I use R operator means city is Hyderabad or cost is greater than 10,000. So like that we do this. So we customize campaign object like this. However, how to customize campaign? So to know more about the fields, what are the fields available? We go for help for this page. I want to know what are the fields available. Shortcut, view fields. And how to customize standard fields? So there are standard fields are there. When you click new, let's see these are all the values. I want to add my own values. Type means by default there are some values are given. I want to add my own values. This is standard fields. Then you go for view fields. These are all standard fields. Standard fields cannot be removed. Only custom fields can be removed or can be modified. And every custom field ends with underscore. I want to identify whether it's a standard or custom. I went to type field, I modify it. It's modified. New, reorder, delete like this. Or create custom. So we created custom fields, location field, concern person like this. How to customize page layout? It's a layout I given. Click new. It's a layout. I want to create my own section. I want to remove the fields. I want to make fields mandatory. Everything will come here. The same page only all it contains. Don't remember all the concepts. You have to remember what? Where you have to go. Our mind should be trick. Don't remember all. So then performance will be more. Brain is our RAM only, no? RAM ఎక్కువ speed very good. So our RAM should be more empty. That's empty. When you are empty only, more performance will be there, no? IT people has empty minds, no? They'll go every time Google search. You get everything. Why we need to learn everything? You to know where I need to go, where I have to get the source code. Same here also. So where I need to go? The starting step. Go to shortcut, we'll find everything. Until you get save button, click next, 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 next. Remember, whatever you learn is up to next, 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 save, stop. When you click save, there is no next button, no? Until then you will click save, save. Same. So all the last step is save only. Save. Every section is a save. Then there is no further steps. Easy. A 6th class student can learn Salesforce. But he cannot understand the business, no? Further they are now collecting 6th class people. As we are more mature people, we understand business. Further they are selecting BTech graduates from. Last time I asked, so how you feel the sales work? It's like Facebook, sir, like that you say. Only selection, drag and drop, edit the values. You are thinking anything? No. Same, tomorrow also same steps. When you go for lead tab, I'll add a lead table. I'll take the lead requirements, customers. When you go for program, there will be some easy, some difficult concepts will be there. Don't feel always it is easy. If it is easy, our salaries will be decreased. Every person will learn now. But why they are asking any graduate, the reason is we don't require more technical. We need to understand client requirements, you customize in the same way. Go edit layout. That's a page layout. When you click the tab, how my layout should display. So creating sections, edit layout. So where you have options, edit layout. The sections. The blue mark, red mark is a blue cannot be removed. Or it is a mandatory. You make red mandatory means at the layout level you made mandatory. While creating a field, you made concern person mandatory. There is layout. Tab layout. When I click a tab, how many columns I need to display? It's called tab layout. Default 3. I want to display some other columns. I want to change the currency. How to change the currency formula? Go to campaign, change the logo, English. How to filter the records? I want to filter. So how many records I want to display? I want to filter the records. How many records you want to display? Done. So in the next class, tomorrow we have holiday, don't class. Now on class on Monday. Saturday, Sunday we don't have. Evening batch people don't have Saturday, Sunday. You practice. Tomorrow you can practice on this.
You can come here.
It's in practice. So tomorrow Holi for us is a festival for us. We celebrate. So every class is a recording class for us. So all the classes are recording with it. If you are not following any class, not feeling, not interesting, just